Young Love is probably one of the most it's one of the most surprising because it's a new song and I didn't really expect a lot of people to know it, but it's funny because we start the song and about 2 choruses in, everyone starts to sing along. So that's a really good indicator that the song is connecting with the crowd. So you guys want to hear another song? Yeah! What are we feeling? Just so you know? Maybe just so you know.
I shouldn't love you, but I want to. I just can't turn away. I shouldn't see you, but I can't move. I just can't look away. And I don't know how to be fine when I'm not. 'Cause I don't know how to make a feeling stop. Just so you know, this feeling's taking control of me, and I can't help it. I won't sit around, I can't let it win now. But you should know I've tried my best to let go of you, but I don't want to. I just gotta say it all before I go, just so you know. It's getting hard to be around you. There's so much I can't say. And do you want me to have feelings and look the other way? 'Cause I don't know how to be fine when I'm not. 'Cause I don't know how to make a feeling stop. Just so you know, this feeling's taking control of me, and I can't help it. I won't sit around, I can't let it win now. But you should know I've tried my best to let go of you, but I don't want to. I just gotta say it all before I go, just so you know. Just so you know.
Any more questions? Yeah, right here. A vacation. Yeah, right here. Am I gonna go on another tour? Probably. I'm trying to finish this one first. But yeah, I think, I'm not gonna take as much time off this time around. I think. Yeah, the Northwest, and there's a bunch of cities we didn't hit on this tour. Atlanta, like Portland, Seattle, Phoenix, and Tucson, and all the, I think, the idea is to go home for a little while and really take a vacation for like a week, and then maybe go back out there. I think, maybe we're still trying to figure stuff out, but I'm hoping maybe at the end of the year, beginning of next year, try to do some more cities for everybody. Yeah.
Oh, okay, well, this isn't really a question, I just want to let you know, I'm so stoked that you went on tour. This is my childhood coming back to me right now.
Oh, awesome. Yeah.
I love you.
Oh, I love you too. Thanks. Is this your first show of mine?
No, I've seen you at the Citadel for the...
The last year. That's right, you were saying that.
You literally walked by me and I was like, Jesse! And you just left and I was like,
Calling me out. Obviously I didn't hear you, otherwise I wouldn't have just left. But thanks for coming. I'm so happy you're here. Yeah. I really like my house. And I told my manager after tonight's show, I said I'm shutting my cell phone off the whole weekend. Don't call me. It's football week 1 Sunday. So I'm gonna watch some football, eat the New York Giants. Yeah, I grew up in New York, so I'm a big Giants fan. But but honestly, I love traveling, and Europe. I love Europe. Italy is probably my favorite country in the world, and Australia is amazing too. Yeah, I think, you know, I just bought a house in March and I haven't had a real chance to live in it because I've been traveling. So I'm just excited to go home and sleep in my own bed, you know? You guys want to hear one more song? Yeah! A little Superbad? Yeah? Alright.
She's a miracle, she got it, but I'm talking, she don't care at all. Watch the way she's walking, ooh, she's a classy girl. Got danger in her touch, she should come with a woman when she struts her stuff. Every hair is turning, ooh, she's a classy girl. It's super bad, super sad. It's got no time for photographs. Watch out. My girl is super bad, that's bad. Knock your train right off the track. Watch out. She's divine all the time, and everything she does is always by design. My girl is super bad, that's a fact. Knock your train right off the track. Watch out. Treat her like a queen, don't need no permission. Sexy's her routine, she's the definition. Ooh, she's a classy girl. My girl is super bad, super sad. Got no time for photographs. Watch out. My girl is super bad, that's a fact. Knock your train right off the track. Watch out. She's divine all the time, and everything she does is always by design. My girl is super bad, that's a fact. Knock your train right off the track. Watch out.
Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna go get ready for the big show and I'll see you in a little bit, alright?